Hello students, I am Josna Gawas and I will be presenting in front of you a module that is activity of vascular cambium in root, which is included under unit 3 secondary growth. In this session I am going to talk about overview of primary structure of root, formation of cambium and cambial ring, and detailed process of secondary growth in root due to activity of cambium. At the end of this module, a person observing this module will be able to explain the process of secondary growth in root, explain the basic changes that occur during secondary growth in root, and compare the internal differences in roots during primary and secondary growth. The growth of the roots in thickness due to activity of cambium is called as secondary growth. Secondary growth in roots takes place due to the action of secondary meristem by the formation of vascular cambium and cocambium. In the primary structure of root, the outermost layer is epiblema, which has unicellular hairs which are meant for absorption. Next to epiblema is a multi-layered cortex made up of parenchymatous cell, and the innermost layer of the cortex forms the endodermis. Beneath the endodermis is a layer of pericycle, and within the pericycle you will find the vascular tissue, that is xylem and phloem, arranged in radial fashion, and these tissues are embedded in a tissue which is called as conjunctive tissue. In the center you may find pith in some roots, or pith may be completely absent. Where does secondary growth takes place in the root? In roots, secondary growth takes place in the stela region at two different places. In roots, secondary growth takes place in stela region, wherein the cells of pericycle will form the outer protective layer, that is perioderm, whereas the cells of conjunctive tissue beneath the phloem and at the apical region of protoxylem will undergo dedifferentiation and form strips of cambium. In roots, secondary growth takes place in 3 steps. First, formation of vascular cambium. This is followed by formation of cambial ring, and then lastly formation of perioderm. In roots, xylem and phloem tissue are arranged in radial fashion. In the primary structure, there is no cambium developed. This develops during the process of secondary growth. The conjunctive tissue beneath the phloem cells as well as the conjunctive tissue at the apex of protoxylem forms cambium by regaining the meristematic activity. This cambial strips formed beneath the phloem and the apex of the protoxylem will join together to form a wavy ring of cambium in between the two tissues. As secondary growth advances, initially the cells of this wavy cambial ring, which are present below the phloem cells, will be active first, As a result, it produces secondary phloem towards the outer side and primary xylem towards the inner side. So, with the activation of cambium in this particular region, more secondary tissues are produced in this particular region. As a result, the vascular cambial ring, which was wavy in outline, becomes circular in outline. What happens after the formation of secondary vascular tissue? Due to the increased formation of secondary vascular tissue, there is increase in diameter of the root. As a result, the epidermal layer ruptures, cortex and endodermis gets shed off, and a new protective layer is formed around the secondary phloem. The third step in secondary growth of root is the formation of periderm. In this case, unlike the stem, the cells of pericycle will undergo dedifferentiation and form cork cambium, which is also called as phallogen. This cork cambial cells divides, producing parenchymatous cell. The cells towards the outer side produces phloem, which is generally referred to as cork, and towards the inner side it produces phalloderm. It is also called as secondary cortex. At the end of secondary growth in roots, the outermost layer will be the periderm, followed by secondary phloem, followed by vascular cambium, secondary xylem, and primary xylem will be condensed into the conjunctive tissue. This is the list of references which have been used to produce this module. Thank you.